Hey, it's your girl Jasso here, and today we'll be taking a look at your traditional 3-strand braid. As you can see, I've already prepped my doll head into a basic ponytail, utilizing a designer scrunchie. To begin the 3-strand braid, you want to use 2 fingers, and you're going to create 3 sections within the ponytail. It's really important that these sections are as even in size as possible, so that you can create good balance throughout your 3-strand braid. To begin this braid, I'm going to use my right hand, which is my dominant side, and I'm going to start that strand and move it over the middle strand, and then that middle strand has become the right strand. Now my left strand is going to move over the middle strand, and that middle strand then becomes the left strand. Right strand over the middle strand becomes the right strand. And I'm going to continue the same pattern as I move all the way down the braid. Now that I have finished the braid all the way down to the ends, I'm going to secure it with an elastic rubber band, and voila, there you have a 3-strand braid.